in greater detail. For now, Hormuz is here with all the stocks and the top movers in the market as of now. Hormuz, tell us more.
There's so much happening in the broader markets that it is difficult to pick and choose among them. But we start off with some top gainers from the small cap index today. Redington is one of them, and 13% higher now on the stock today. This is the biggest single day gain that you are seeing since March of 2021. And to take a look at the volumes here, in the first couple of hours of the trading session, we have already had more than 2 crore shares that have been traded compared to a 20-day average of just 5 lakh shares. It shows the kind of volume moves that we have seen on Redington already in the first couple of hours of the trading session. Courtesy of this move, the stock has broken above its 50 and its 200-day moving average. And another important level to watch is 272, which is the 100-day moving average. And currently, it's slightly above that 100-day moving average. It has had a good year so far. Redington is up 35% on a year-to-date basis. The other name that springs up among the gainers is Expleo Solutions, and that is another name that once was up around 10-11%, still holding on to gains of around 9%. It's the biggest single-day gain since June, so it's the biggest advance in 3 months. It snapped a 2-day losing streak in today's session, was down 1.5% each over the last 2 sessions. And today's volumes, well, 1.5 lakh shares have changed hands. The 20-day average is just 5,000 shares, so it's not a very frequently traded stock. And today's volumes, already 1.5 lakh, is equal to the last 18 sessions combined for Expleo Solutions. So that's another mover today. Vaibhav Global, that name springs up on the list. It has gained in 5 out of the last 7 trading sessions. In these 7 trading sessions, of which it has gained in 5 of them, the stock is up 18%. It has recovered from those levels of around 220, 230 to around 260 now. And today's volumes, 12 lakh shares have changed hands already compared to a 20-day average of around 1 lakh shares this time of the day. And courtesy of this move that you have seen in the last 7 trading sessions, the stock has trimmed its year-to-date losses to 12%, still an underperformer on a year-to-date basis. And the last name on the list is Steelcast, and that is now seeing its biggest single-day gain in 5 months, 14% higher now on the stock. And we've already had 15 lakh shares that have been traded on the stock compared to a 20-day average of just around 25,000 shares. And today's volumes so far is equivalent to the last 29 sessions combined. So we go into early August is where you go into the traded volumes today, and the stock has done well so far this year, up 37% so far, and is also closing in on its 52-week high, which is around 250 rupees, Sonal.
All right, some interesting names there. Thank you so much, Hormuz, for joining us as always and telling us some of these movers in the broader markets.